Are regular push-ups too hard for you? Well, if so, I got a beginner variation for you. I'm gonna show you right now, okay? So grab a wall, put your hands on the wall just below your shoulders like this, okay? Then you're gonna step your feet back so you feel a little bit of pressure on your hands, but grip the wall with your fingers. That's gonna strengthen your wrist while you do it. Now from here, don't stick your butt out like this. Squeeze your butt and your core. Now from there, you're going to come down, dropping your elbows down so your elbows don't flare up like this, they come down like this. Touch your nose to the wall and press back up. And if this is too easy, you can just slide your feet out a little bit more. If it's too hard, you slide your feet forward. But it's a very awesome way to practice proper form and strengthening all the muscles so that you can eventually work your way up to doing a regular push-up. Now, if you like this, go ahead and post in the comments. How did it feel for you to actually be able to do a push-up, but an easier variation? And do you have any exercises that you want to learn how to do with good form that we can make easier variations for you on? If so, post in the comments. We'll make a video just like this because we want to teach you how to move better in your body because moving better is feeling better.